In New Orleans, it's easy to see who was spared from the levee breaches and who wasn't. The scene was unimaginable. The water left a vast wasteland.
We drove for miles and miles. The destruction seemed endless.
Cars were upside down. Houses were moved off their foundations. Belongings of the people who once lived here scattered everywhere. Entire communities and neighborhoods destroyed. None of this would have happened if the levees would have held. We must make it so that this never happens again. For our future. For our children. For our culture. For everything we've ever loved about this city. If for nothing else, for our history. Or will America sit idly by as one of its oldest and greatest cities simply washes away?